If you follow my channel, you know that I mention interoperability all the time. I specifically say interoperability is king. So in this video, we're going to be going over Axelar. Sorry if I slaughter this name throughout the video, but that's how I'm assuming to pronounce it. None of this is financial advice. This is all for entertainment and educational purposes only. I'm not paid by the Axelar team in any way, and I'm currently not invested in Axelar at the making of this video. If you have not tried the crypto macro dashboard on the EPIQ Trading Floor website, this is free for everyone to use. Fear and Greed Index, live charts, latest news, macro heat maps, US calendars, crypto screeners, all the fun stuff. So I'll tag the video in this description as well as in the video. And there are limited seats available if you want to get an all access membership so you can join our community, our academy, members only live streams, trading floors, and all that other stuff. So without further ado, roll the intro and let's get this video started. Axelar is currently sitting number 147 on CoinGecko at $1.07 at around a $927 million market cap, so just shy of $1 billion. Now this has an infinite supply, so it is inflationary, and currently has a total supply of 1.1 billion and circulating of 864 million. And this is very common to see with utility projects. Not only that, but you're in infrastructure, interoperability, bridge governance, cross-chain communication, which I'm bullish on all of those. And then on top of that, you're adding polychain capital and Galaxy Digital, which means institutional money. I'm all about this type of project. Now going into what Axelar actually is, what this will allow you to do is to create any sort of DeFi protocol that will be Omnichain. So all you have to do is build it once on Axelar, and then you can bridge it to Solana, Ethereum, Base, whatever ecosystems and networks that you want to move it to. Now, back in the day, it would be more of a pain in the ass to do this. You would have to build the initial network on, let's say, Ethereum or Polygon, and then from there, you'd have to slowly bridge out further and further into other ecosystems. Well, this is going to make it even easier so that all you're going to have to do is build it on one platform and then be able to make it available across the board. Now, some of the projects that are working with Axelar too, DYDX, Lido, Osmosis, PancakeSwap, huge DeFi protocols. As far as wallets, Ledger, Trust, MetaMask, I'm sure that you've heard of all these names, including the RWAs with Circle, Ondo, Centrifuge. You have Microsoft, MasterCard, and Onyx by JP Morgan in the enterprise solutions. You have Celestia, Filecoin, and Moralis and infrastructure. Like this ecosystem is absolutely stacked. So what they sell is interoperability, which is what I say is king. So Ethereum has built programmable money. Axelar is building programmable interoperability. And like I was saying, Axelar allows smart contract support for anyone to deploy from the cross-chain stack itself to all chains in under 10 seconds, reaching 10 times as many active users as the leading Web3 environment. So, boom, you click that button, next thing you know, you're available on 10 different blockchains. It's huge. That's the next level. And then when you're looking at it from a use case perspective, JP Morgan's Onyx can rebalance large portfolios. You have DYDX View 4 onboards users from anywhere in one click. It's part of the Uniswap integration. So let's say even if you like ISO 222 projects, this would be the crypto version of that because they're an enterprise solution within the crypto space, as well as institutionally, as you can see with like JP Morgan, for example. You're even showing the ability to run complex logic on Cosmos, which is a layer 0, for yield strategies on Arbitrum, which is a layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum. So as you can see, this can be a very, very complex and potentially one of those projects that can go absolutely parabolic just because of the Omnichain side of it. I talk about this a lot too, that if whatever project has the ability to bridge the gap between all the blockchains has the best opportunity, especially in 2025, to really make a crushing in the space. Because right now you have so many layer 1s, layer 2s, layer 3s, but not many of them communicate with each other. So by creating that bridge and making it so that they can communicate, that's next level. And I think that's going to be a major component going into the 2025 bull run. And even from a charting perspective, when we look at this, we did not double tap the bottom. So we can look at this Fibonacci, maintain the 7860, held a nice point of control for volume at about 55 cents. Now, if this wanted to test all-time high, even from current price, that's about a 163% move. If this wanted to play the Fibonacci out to take profit 3, which it can do because it tested the 7860, that's going to take us up anywhere to about the 300 to 400% range. And that's just in one Fibonacci impulse move and take you up to about the $4 to $5 range. And as you can see, volume is inflowing, definitely bullish, definitely on the bullish side of the VFI. Everything is looking good. I really do like this project going into 2025. And I will definitely be looking for entries just moving into the next couple months to see kind of what happens with the market and if we get some good swings. But all in all, I do like Axelar, and I think the ability to be omni-chain as well as for a D app solution. So being able to build a D app that can be functioning across all of those ecosystems I love that. So we'll finish the video here. I hope everyone has a great morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on wherever you tune in the world. If you want to come trade with me, you can always drop EPIQ in the comments or go check out the EPIQ Trading Floor. If you do have any questions, you can also drop them in the comments too. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. It'd be greatly, greatly appreciated. If you learn anything, hit that like button. I hope everyone has a great morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on wherever you tune in the world, and I will see you on the next video.